Hello, welcome back. I'm here with the new video. So today I have this Foxx P8 Android tablet. So this is the specification of that 8-inch display, 2 gigahertz, 32 GB. The selfie camera, the front camera is 8 megapixel and the back camera is 5 megapixel and the battery has 4000, which is a regular Android. Even phone battery has more than that, so it will support Android 12 so far, but let's see. And it supports a micro SD and it has a 128 GB memory. Also 128 GB SD card it can support. So let's unbox it. So this is normal paper packing, and let's see what is inside the box. So this is the one. It's only one page manual, which is I think okay. And let's see what is the other stuff here. So this is a USB and this is type C cable. This is a SIM. Oh, it supports the SIM card also, and this is a charger. So that's everything inside the box. Look at this, and let's go to this tablet. Let's see how it looks like. The one good thing I just found it, they come with the cases. Look at this. They have the already installed case, which is very good. I think it's a case if I'm not wrong. Yeah, there's a case, you can see that. So let's remove the case first, and it's kind of a little hard. Yeah, it's coming out from the cases too. So let's remove the cases. So this is the back of the tablet. Look at this plastic. That's a cheap plastic they use. It has the lines here, and it's, look at it. This is a 5 megapixel with the flashlight. So the sides are kind of thick, but they use very cheap plastic material. So this is a mic and big speaker right there. So let's peel off that thing and how it look like. Here we go. This is the first thing you can see, but this is not the latest Android. I can tell you about that. So let's go with this. So while it's activating, oh, I think it should go fast. It should go fast. Look at this. Oh, that's gonna take a long time. After activating, there's the first look of the iPad home screen. Tablet home screen. Very basic Android. Now let's see the Android version on it. Go into the settings, all the way down, P8. That's a P8 thing, and we can go right there. So look at this. So storage says 32 GB free, which is 25 GB free. So total is 32 GB. And let's check the camera. So very basic stuff. So of course, don't allow. Let's go with this. So this is the first one. So look at this. It's a blurry camera. Look at it. Let's check. That's it. That's the maximum 4x, which is all Chinese phones and tablet has. So thumbs up if you like that video. See you in the next video.